I like buy shit, and I'm like, I don't do it.
I think I'm gonna get an actual welder though.
That's the best option.
So I know how to weld better than
Yeah, get a little kid. Something small. You could spend $400 on
the best thing I got out of high school was welding house.
Yeah. I believe it. I got nothing on it.
Yeah. And then Pat made you learn how to stick weld.
Yeah, we have to.